Hey guys, it's Forrest Benson with Thrust Institute of Maintenance. We're working on an awesome after-hours project. In the city of Denton, they have a Dia de los Muertos celebration, which includes a downhill coffin race. Our students have been hard at work assembling a car that our director is going to enter into the race. Let's take a look, guys. See this rim here? Totally bent it in half. I made the mistake of trying to take a corner a little too fast, and we discovered the quality of the rims we were using were not of really good quality. So that being said, we've made a run over to the bike shop and bought 3 brand new rims in a last-minute hope of saving the race. Finally, the big day. We're up here at the Denton Day of the Dead Festival, getting ready for the coffin races. We got the whole team here, the racers here, and we got our driver John getting ready to send this thing down the hill. I can't wait to see how this turns out, guys. Come along for the ride.
The races are on!
Feel pretty good. We're a little loose. We made some adjustments to the car. I think we're going to gain at least a 1/10 of a second. Pushers motivated and ramped up. You know, we're ready. We adjusted the brakes, added some more air to the tires, kind of bumped that pressure up from about 50 psi up to 80. So we're hoping to shave at least a second off of our initial time. One of the things we ran into is this car with me in it weighs just a hair over 200 pounds. So I think we need to shave maybe, probably 75 pounds off the car next year, or we need to get a pusher that weighs 100 pounds more. So if there's any defensive linemen that play in the NFL that want to come be a pusher for Thrust, let us know. We're actively recruiting, lots of fun, and we'll see you at the bottom of the hill.
Gave it our best, most valiant effort. Unfortunately, we were not able to make it into the final tiers. But I'll tell you what, we learned a wonderful lesson or two along the way, and next year we're going to come back stronger than ever, guys. So stay tuned. This ain't the end of the Thruster project, guys. And I'd like to send out a huge thanks to all the students that helped us make this project possible. It was still a wonderful learning experience, and we look forward to doing this again next year, guys. Until next time, Forrest with Thrust. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see here, guys. See you next time.